Welcome to Beautyistic, where we bring you the best and most honest beauty reviews. Whether you're a nail art lover or someone who's simply looking to upgrade your at-home manicure routine, you're in the right place. Today, we're taking a close look at the Kiss imPRESS No Glue Mani Press-On Nails in the stunning Wild Venus design. This set promises a chic, salon-quality manicure without the hassle of glue, and we're going to see if it really delivers. So, what exactly are these nails all about? The Kiss imPRESS No Glue Mani Press-On Nails are a medium-length set in a gorgeous almond shape, designed to give you the perfect polished look with absolutely no glue required. All you need to do is peel, press, and go. It's the simplest way to achieve a flawless manicure at home. This set includes 30 nails, a mini nail file, a prep pad, a manicure stick, and a set of easy-to-follow instructions. It's everything you need to achieve a salon-worthy look in minutes without stepping foot into a salon. The nails come in a bold, Wild Venus design, featuring a soft pink color that's both trendy and versatile, perfect for day-to-day wear or a special occasion. Now, let's talk about the application. I tested these press-on nails over several days to see if they could truly stand up to the brand's claims of a long-lasting, professional-looking manicure without any of the fuss. The application process was incredibly simple. Peel off the backing, align the nail, and press it on. It's that easy. And here's the best part. The adhesive is super strong. Once these nails are on, they don't budge, and I was able to go about my daily tasks without worrying about them lifting or peeling. The Super Hold adhesive promises a secure fit for up to 10 days, and in my experience, the nails stayed on for almost the full duration, even after washing dishes and doing a few household chores. On the plus side, the nails felt lightweight and comfortable, and they looked very natural, almost like a gel manicure. The almond shape is elegant and modern, and the Wild Venus design offers a sophisticated pop of color that can match with a variety of outfits. It's the perfect length, not too long, but not too short, so you can enjoy the best of both worlds. However, there were a couple of small cons to mention. While the adhesive is strong, I did find that the nails can be a little tricky to remove, as the process involves peeling them off gently. There's a small chance of damaging your natural nails if you're not careful. So if you're someone who tends to get impatient when it comes to removing press-ons, you might need to take your time and do it right. Value for money-wise, Kiss has done a great job. For the price of this set, you're getting a full manicure kit with all the tools you need for application. When compared to going to a salon, this is an affordable and convenient alternative that still delivers a professional look. When it comes to the build quality, these nails feel sturdy, and the adhesive is top-notch. The set also includes a mini file and prep pad, which shows Kiss has thought about the whole DIY process and made it as easy as possible for you. Customer support wasn't something I needed to reach out for, but Kiss is a reputable brand in the beauty world, known for its quality and customer satisfaction. Based on customer feedback, people seem happy with the product's performance and ease of use, so there's little concern here. If you're someone who enjoys DIY nails and loves the flexibility of at-home manicures, there are some good alternatives to consider. Press-on nails from brands like Color Street or Dashing Diva offer similar features, but Kiss has really hit the mark with its easy application and strong hold. Final verdict. The Kiss imPRESS No Glue Mani Press-On Nails in Wild Venus are an excellent option for anyone looking to quickly elevate their manicure game. They offer a long-lasting, stylish finish with minimal effort and no mess. If you're a fan of simple, stylish, and sturdy press-ons, this set won't disappoint. Whether you're new to press-ons or a seasoned user, I think you'll be impressed by how easy it is to get salon-quality nails at home. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks so much for watching today's review. If you've tried these press-on nails, drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts. Have any tips for applying press-ons? We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.